I was given the problem 3 1/2 minus 1 1/4. Now, what the student did here was subtract their whole numbers, so they subtracted 3 minus 1 equals 2. Then they brought their 2 over here for their whole number in their answer, but instead of subtracting 1/2 minus 1/4, they just brought their 1/2 down. And this was demonstrated in misconception 7 in the table in chapter 15. The student made their error and more so just focusing on the whole numbers and forgetting about those fractions that we have to subtract as well. To help the student understand this, we're going to use the word problem up here. So it says, after trick-or-treating, Sam has 3 1/2 Halloween candy bars. Her little brother eats 1 1/4 of the candy bars. How many Halloween candy bars does Sam have left? We're then going to use this model to make it a little bit easier with that visual for our student. So we can see here we have 1, 2, 3 holes, which represents our 3 whole candy bars. So I am going to highlight that in our word problem just so that they can kind of have that to refer to. So in our 3 whole candy bars is our 3 right there. And then we have 1/2 candy bar, which is represented right here. That is not the same color. 1/2. However, we now need to take away the amount of candy bars that her brother ate. So we know that he ate 1 whole candy bar, which we can represent just by blacking this out to represent the entire candy bar that he ate. Now we see that we have 1/4 of a candy bar left that he ate, but we don't have any candy bars here that are split into fourths. However, if we look at our 1/2 candy bar over here, we would know that we can split this into fourths because 1/2 is equal to 2/4. So we will go ahead and split that into fourths. And then we can shade in another fourth of this candy bar to represent the rest of the candy bars that her brother ate, which is right there. Now we need to look at the candy bars we have left. So we see that we have our 2 whole candy bars, followed by this 1/4 of a candy bar. So we can say we have 1, 2, and then 1/4 candy bars left. So after solving our problem, 3 1/2 minus 1 1/4, we can see that Sam has 2 1/4 candy bars left after her brother eats them.